Hey, Amazon business owners and soon-to-be Amazon business owners. It's Tim and ALGO Online Retail. I'm at the beach. I know it's a little loud, a little windy, but what better place to talk about how to make money selling on Amazon and how to free up the opportunities that exist in your life if you can make more money in a passive way. So let's talk about selling on Amazon. So one of the biggest questions I get from new people looking into Amazon is, Tim, what are the basics? Just give me the basic steps. How do I sell on Amazon? Boom, 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 boom. What are the steps I have to do? So let me give you the basics, but also let me tell you this. If you want the longer version, I will be doing a live training. There's a link right down there that will take you to a free live training I'll be doing. I won't be at the beach when I do the training. I'll be in my office so you can hear me. All right, so let me give you the basic steps. Step number one, you need to open up your Amazon account. That might involve a few things. We'll go into detail on the live training. But you might need to get an entity, a reseller permits, basic things so that you can open up your Amazon account. All right, step number two, you got to find suppliers. Now, how do I find suppliers? There are dozens and dozens of ways to find suppliers, some as easily as just Googling it. Well, I want to teach how to find suppliers, but there are tens of millions of products out there, maybe even hundreds of millions, that you could sell on Amazon, and there are plenty of suppliers to be found. All right, so step number two, you got to find the suppliers. Next step, you got to research the products. So each one of those suppliers you find will most likely have thousands, if not tens of thousands of products. They give you a list of products. You go through those products one by one, and you find the best products to sell. Now, what are you looking for? You're looking for products that have a high sales volume and low competition. There's not a lot of other people selling them on Amazon. So high sales volume, low competition, and of course, that make you money. All right, next step is ship them to Amazon. Don't touch it. That's called FBA. Don't touch the product. Have your supplier ship it straight to Amazon. FBA. Don't touch the product. Amazon's going to take care of the storage, the shipping, etc. All right, next step, you got to win sales. So on Amazon, we call that winning the buy box. Winning the buy box. So you got to win sales. The way to do that is to win the buy box. All right, so now you get sales. What's next? Repeat the process. You got one product selling, you're winning sales, you're winning the buy box. Get a second product. Maybe even from the same supplier. I'll get more suppliers, get a second product, get a third product, fourth product. You're building and scaling and growing your Amazon business one product at a time. All right, so let me just repeat the steps. You open up your Amazon account, you find suppliers, you research products, you buy your first products, you put it on Amazon, and you win the buy box, and then you repeat. All right, if you wanted me to teach you how to do this step by step, there's a free 90-minute webinar training I will be doing. 60 minutes of training, then 30 minutes to answer your questions. I will be live. I will answer all of your questions. I will not be at the beach. I'll be in my home office, and I'll go through it with you step by step. I'd love to teach you how to do this so that you can take advantage of all the good things in life. When you have passive income, when you have financial freedom, you can be where you want to be. So what better place to do this video than at the beach? So get out there, have some fun in life. I want to see you soon on this link. Click the link, get your seat. I'll see you soon.